Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Gripper Push Block is probably one of the most underrated safety tools in any woodworker's arsenal. It allows you to maintain a safe distance from the blade while providing superior control over the workpiece. This video will explore the features and benefits of this essential tool, helping you make informed decisions and improve your woodworking safety and precision. Number 5. Push block for table saws, router tables, band saws and jointers. This push block uses multidirectional force to control the workpiece. The non-slip material at the bottom provides strong grip, helping to protect your hands and prevent kickback while cutting. Forget frustrating assembly. This tool is incredibly easy to set up. Simply install the handle and side parts, and you're ready to go. The top sliding adjustment design allows you to easily control the crop width. This feature enables precise cuts, even down to 1/4 ripping. This push block is compatible with table saws, router tables, jointers, and band saws. It works with most tool accessories available on the market. Keeping the tool clean is simple. When it gets dirty, just use alcohol to remove any grime. This will help maintain its strong friction and optimal working condition. What we like. This push block is incredibly easy to set up, saving you valuable time in the workshop. It also offers adjustable features for precise cuts, ensuring accuracy in your projects. If you're looking for a hassle-free and adaptable solution for various woodworking tasks, you should consider this one. What people say. The tool adjusts easily with the thumb screws. The sole grips well on a variety of smooth woods. It has improved table saw safety by leaps and bounds. Number 4. MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER GR-103D Push Block, 2-pack. This is the GRR-RIPPER, designed for table saws. It gives you essential precision, safety, and control while you work. It's a must-have for any table saw user. Protect your hands and prevent kickback with this push block. It eliminates the need for flimsy push sticks, allowing you to cut with surgical precision. You'll have unmatched control. The GRR-RIPPER provides a powerful grip and full adjustability. It works great on table saws, router tables, jointers, and band saws. Work smarter, not harder. This tool provides 3 directions of force, giving you superior precision, control, and safety. It's designed to make your work easier and safer. The GRR-RIPPER virtually eliminates kickback, keeping your stock firmly against the fence. It's a great way to improve your safety while working. What we like. This push block gives you superior precision, control, and safety. It virtually eliminates kickback, protecting your hands and ensuring clean cuts. If you value precision and safety above all else, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The push block works great and is very easy to use. The push block is well designed and functions as advertised. The push block is a great safety tool for the table saw. Number 3. Gator Grip Push Block 2-pack for table saws. Many woodworkers struggle with push blocks that lose their grip. This product offers a solution. The foam bases often fail, especially on harder materials, but this product is different. This push block features a unique podular rubber pad. This design provides superior grip compared to standard foam blocks. It makes feeding materials through cutters much easier. This push block isn't just for table saws. It's perfect for router tables, jointers, shapers, and band saws. It gives you superior control over your wood, composite, metal, and resin materials. Safety is a priority with this product. The durable plastic body and thick raised handle keep your fingers away from blades. The podular pads add to the unmatched control. The wide base provides ample gripping surface for various stock sizes. The angled handle makes applying pressure easy. You'll experience less strain compared to straight-handled blocks. What we like. This push block features a unique podular pattern for superior grip, ensuring your workpiece stays in place. It is designed to keep your fingers safe and offers a wide base for maximum control. If you are looking for a push block with exceptional grip and safety features, this is the one for you. What people say. Great safety gear to secure wooden workpiece around saw blades or router bits. These grip the wood firmly without leaving a mark. Exactly as advertised. Grippy and a good size handle. Working great to keep my hands out of the danger zone. Positive friction prevents slippage while cutting. Number 2. MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER GR-103D Pushblock. Are you tired of the dangers of table saws? This tool is designed to keep your hands safe and prevent kickback. It gives you the control you need. The high-friction grip provides an extreme hold on your workpiece. This ensures accuracy and safety during every cut. You'll feel the difference immediately. Achieve precision cuts with ease, even down to 1/4-inch ripping. This allows for greater versatility in your projects. It's perfect for detailed work. The Pushblock is fully adjustable, making it easy to handle and customize to your needs. It adapts to various stock sizes and cutting tasks. This makes your work easier. Safely work with small stock on your table saw, router table, jointer, and band saw. This tool enhances your safety. It gives you peace of mind. Experience total control of your workpiece with 3-directional force. This innovative design ensures stability and accuracy. It's a true innovation. What we like. This Pushblock offers a high-friction grip for extreme hold, ensuring your workpiece stays secure. It allows for precision cutting and provides 3-directional force for total control. If you need a Pushblock that provides both grip and control, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Versatility and safety in a single package. For thinner strip being cut on the table saw and various thickness of the stock, this product is adjustable to accommodate. It does what it says it will do and does it extremely well. Number 1. POWERTEC 5PK Woodworking Push Blocks and Sticks. This set includes push blocks and sticks designed to keep your hands safe while woodworking. They provide a secure grip and help prevent kickback, ensuring a safer experience. The push blocks allow you to maintain firm, downward pressure on the workpiece. This prevents bouncing and chatter as the wood passes the blades, enhancing control and safety. The L-shaped stick helps push the entire workpiece through the blades. The straight stick is great for smaller stock. Both offer enhanced safety and precision. These tools are perfect for face jointing, ripping plywood, and routing. They are ideal for use with jointers, table saws, router tables, and shapers. Each tool features an ergonomic handle for a comfortable and secure grip. The design prioritizes durability, maximum control, and, above all, safety during woodworking tasks. The set includes 1 long push block, 2 short push blocks, 1 safe V-stick, and 1 straight push stick. This comprehensive set provides essential safety protection for various woodworking machines. What we like. This set includes multiple push tools with ergonomic handles for comfortable use. It is designed to reduce kickback and increase safety. If you are looking for a comprehensive set of push tools for various woodworking tasks, you should consider this. What people say. Worked very well, and had a good grip on the wood. Great variety to handle nearly every situation. Great pack of safety items. Well made, sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.